You're a huntress, right?
Yes.
Have you ever killed turkey?
I wish.
Wow. All right, let's taste the turkey. Should be the star of the show here. The turkey is very succulent. Have you cooked wild rice before?
Just once or twice.
You know we're sending home 2 home cooks today, right?
Yes, chef.
2 remaining home cooks.
Alyssa.
Alyssa, please give me lamb. Don't give me turkey, please.
I'm gonna take the turkey.
Thank God. Jenny, why did you choose Rosine last?
Because he is one of the biggest competitors here.
That's a huge compliment coming from her, so I'll take it.
Please take your lamb and head back to your station.
Lamb is something I grew up eating, so I lucked out going dead last.
This kitchen has everything you need to succeed, including premium German-made Miele appliances.
You only have 60 minutes. Home cooks, are you ready to make us a dynamite dish?
Yes, chef.
Your time starts now!
Come on, guys. This is an elimination challenge, and 2 people are going home, so I need to step up my game. I am making turkey breast. I'm gonna stuff it with some butter and aromatics. I don't like turkey, and I was stuck with it, but that's what I gotta work with.
5 minutes! 5 more minutes left!
Keep it up.
You got this. Push right to the end.
Yep.
Oh my gosh.
This could be burnt.
Oh my God.
My lamb ragu is scorched, and I have no choice but to try and salvage something off the top.
I'm worried about Cliff. He is just now taking the lid off his pressure cooker.
Damn, it's not cooked enough. I'm trying to pull the duck, but it's not pulling.
Wow, Cliff's duck is actually not tender enough to pull the meat away from the bone.
All right, new plan. I don't have time to argue with this duck leg. Let's just cut the meat off the bone. Damn it.
30 seconds!
Clock is ticking.
Last push, come on.
Everyone else is plating, and my fish is still cooking.
Looks like that sea creature.
It's almost there, almost there. Here we go, that's what I was looking for.
There's so much happening right now that I don't know where to look.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, heads up!
Wow.
OMG.
Damn.
So glad I cooked 2 pieces of fish.
Nice work, everyone.
Alyssa, you're up next.
It's a wild turkey supper with wild rice.
You're a huntress, right?
Yes.
Have you ever killed turkey?
I wish.
Wow. All right, let's taste the turkey. Should be the star of the show here. The turkey is very succulent. Have you cooked wild rice before?
Just once or twice.
You know we're sending home 2 home cooks today, right?
Yes, chef.
You tell me if you think the wild rice needs a little more time.
Yes. The rice is chewy. I'm super disappointed. I think I'm packing my bags and going home. The taste I took earlier tasted cooked, but I was wrong.
So you're gonna have to give us a lot more than some turkey and rice. I just want to see more creativity.